Now jersey number 30, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, pass to 30. Back to jersey number 12. 3-point attempt. Bam! 3 points.
21-18. 3-point lead.
18-21.
Airport.
Now jersey number 26. Pass to 22 in the middle. To the corner. Pull up jumper. Bang! Back to back. 2 points by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 12 to 34. Deflected. Nakuha sa jersey number steal by jersey number 26. Now jersey number 26. Pass to 22. 3-point and pick. Attacking the basket. Pair drop. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Pass to 23. Pass pick. Kabus. Nakuha sa jersey number 26.
Lindo.
Fake. Deflected. Nakuha sa jersey number 2. There's a whistle. Foul. 23-18. 7 minutes and 45. Now jersey number 12. 3-point attempt. No good. Out. Jersey number 26. Pass to the jersey number 12. Attacking the basket. Fake. Kick out to jersey number 30. Teardrop. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 34. Now jersey number 30. Pass deflected. Nagkat to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Pass to 34. Foul! Substitution. Sulit. Odwa. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 9. Back to 23. 3-point attempt. No good. There is a whistle. The jersey number 30. Pass to 23. Fake. Attacking the pull-up jumper. Bang! Wallace na!
Adol, 23 all.
23 all. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 9. To the corner. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30. Attacking the basket. Pick out to 23. 3-point attempt. Bam! 3 points. Change favor. Abansin na Navaez. 26-23. Now jersey number 3. Balos. No good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30 again to 23. Fake. Step back. Foul!
First throw.
Oh, basket first free throw.
Basket again. Last throw.
Okay, out of 3 for kick. Tatlo good. Timeout.
29-23.
Score 29. Now jersey number 23. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Fake. Pass to jersey number 19. Wala Japon. Rebound taken by jersey number 34. Steal. Foul! Basket count.
3-point play.
3-point play. Tatlo Manse.
26-29.
Now jersey number 12. Deflected out of. Now jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 30. To jersey number 12. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound to number jersey number 06. Now jersey number 06. Coast to coast layup. 2 points. O isa naman naman si.
29-28.
Pass break to jersey number 34. Jersey number 34 layup. 2 points.
Basket by Aranda. 31-28.
Now jersey number 23. Drop pass to jersey number 06. Pick. Block! Now jersey number 23. Attacking the basket, pull-up jumper, no good. Now jersey number 23, 219. Attacking the basket, spin move off the glass, nice move. Oh, change.
31-30.
Jersey number 34. Humok.
Aranda back-to-back basket. 33-30.
Oh, 4 minutes. Jersey number 19. Out of it. Jersey number 30. Attacking the basket, kick out to the corner, out of bounds. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 9, back to 23. Back to 9. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 23, third glove, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 30. Now jersey number 30. Pass to 23. 3-point attempt.
Third three-pointer of the ball game. 36-30.
Hinayang Singgetaw. Jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 2. Attacking the basket. Play ball. To jersey number 19. 3-point attempt. No good. Out. Now jersey number 30, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 22. Now jersey number 22, pass to 26. To jersey number 2, attacking the basket, fake to jersey number 22, third drop, 2 points.
36-32. Swerte.
Apat naman si 2 minutes and 15. The jersey number 12. You're asking for screen to jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 3. To 30. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 12. Side step. Deflected out of bounds.
3 points.
That's a lot. 3 points.
Apat na ka-tres.
39-32. 1 minute and 45. Now jersey number 26 to 22. Pick. Fly by move, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 9, steal by jersey number 19. Side step, drop pass to 9. Now jersey number 9 to jersey number 12. Back to 9. Kick out to 23. Jersey number 20, pull up jumper. Bam! Iyapan score. Siyam na lang. 1 minute and 10. Now jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 9. 1 minute. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 2. Attacking the basket. Many times.
Castro.
Wala din dua. 50.
50 seconds remaining.
40. Out of bounds. Jersey number 16. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation.
30 seconds.
30. Jersey number 2. Throwaway jumper. Foul. Oh, 3-point play.
35-41.
20. 15. Jersey number 22. Drop pass na bunggo sa telya. 10. 5. Out of bounds.
End of the second quarter score.
Oh, end of second quarter. Score 35-41 in favor of Navaez.